Hi everyone, and welcome to our course, Electricity and Magnetism.
Today we're going to discuss circuit protectors, and one of these is the fuse. It is the simplest device which breaks the circuit under abnormal condition. It is used for overload, short circuit protection in medium voltage up to 33 kilovolts and low voltage up to 400 volts installations. A fuse also offers protection against the dangers of octopus wiring, short circuits, and other circuits overload. A fuse consists of a thin metal wire or strip enclosed in a cardboard or glass capsule with conducting ends. The thin metal wire or strip inside has a relatively low melting point. When an overload or short circuit occurs, the high heat generated melts the strip, opening the circuit and shutting off the current, thus preventing fire. The main components of a standard fuse unit consist of the following items: metal fuse element, set of contacts, support body, and connection. Fuses are rated by the amount of current they carry or could withstand. A fuse rated at 15 ampere will melt or blow once the current passing through it exceeds 15 amperes. From figure 47, you can see a blown fuse. A blown fuse cannot be reused. It is thrown away and replaced. It is dangerous to wrap a tin foil around the blown fuse and then replace it back to the circuit. When a short circuit occurs again, the foil-covered fuse will not melt as easily as before. The high current continues unchecked and the danger of fire is present. Another example of a circuit protector is the circuit breaker. It is an automatic circuit protection system and are installed in an electrical panel or a breaker box. And its circuit is attached to a singular breaker. The breaker will monitor the circuit, and in the event of a complication such as overload, the breaker will immediately shut off that circuit. From figure 49, you can see that this circuit has too many energy-demanding devices on it, and it is trying to carry more amperage than it is designed for. Soon, these devices will begin to heat up. Luckily, the circuit breaker senses this, trips, and breaks the circuit. Like fuses, circuit breakers also have ampere ratings at which they work. A circuit breaker can be reset and used repeatedly, unlike a fuse, which is disposable after a one-time use. It is advisable to label the circuits to identify which part of the house or building they serve. While electricity can be considered man's best friend, it can also pose danger to the consumers if not handled properly. Here are some tips for using electricity safely. Number 1. Wire plugs properly and always fit the correct fuse. Replace any worn or damaged flexes and plugs. Number 2. Never use wet hands to switch appliances on and off. For number 3, never pull appliances by their flex or put flexes under rugs and carpets, where they may be stepped on. And number 4, never fill an air pot when it is plugged in. And number 5, avoid octopus connection. That's all from now. Thank you and keep safe.